Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the stock of Chevron Corporation, and there is a decent amount of move. And as you're looking at this stock, it is pretty much stable. In the past 1 month, it went up. In the past 6 months, it has been a consolidation, and suddenly the stock started moving up. In the year to date, or in the past 1 year, so there has been a decent or stable rise that the stock has seen, and obviously there are reason behind that. Currently quoting at 114.49 and then 65 after hours trading, and we have some more room to go, but this is just a market estimate, so 124.15. Although the PE looks expensive right now, but you must understand the kind of company it is and the sector. Okay, the sector for this particular stock. So what is happening, as far as the profit keeps on rising, the company or the entire sector or the investors basically, their view on this entire sector will be positive. As you can see here, uh, let's open this press list. This is that why rising prices are really about, I don't know, about humanity versus nature they are talking about. So have you heard about the commodity super cycle? We may be living in it right now. It doesn't sound as bad as a bomb cyclone, but it may be end up slamming us just as hard. This super cycle has been the talk of Wall Street and business for the past month, when it simply means is that the prices of most of the commodity, everything from oil to oats to corn to copper, which are at record or multi-year high right now, are poised to climb much more, not just for a few months but for years to come. So this company comes under natural gas, so obviously it does have an impact. Also, this company posted its quarterly results, and let's go and check it out. So the news section on Google, and Chevron post highest profit in 8 years on surging oil and gas prices, right? And as you can see, let's open this one, that stock gains as Wall Street shares earnings and Exxon's massive share buy. Okay, so this is both Chevron and, so Chevron reported adjusted earning of 2.96 on revenue that rose 83% to $44.71 billion, beating FactSet's consensus estimate of 2.2 and sales of $41.22 billion. Chevron's significant beat was driven by a robust macro backdrop and strong operational performance. So this is what you can see. So this is a complete tailwind as far as this sector is concerned, and that's why we can see the price movement, because they are the producers and they will enjoy the benefit. And if you're looking at the long-term chart of Chevron, there has been an uptrend for the last 40 years, but as you can see, in the last 12 or 15 year, the stock is almost flat. The stock is really flat and doesn't give you anything. Okay, so if you have understand this thing, you would have shifted yourself and again move back into the stock in the later part of, at least in the later part of 2020, or uh, at March or in March 2020. So the range in between which the stock has been trading right now is 56.5, your stop loss, and then your immediate support at 104.54, and the range, okay, then the current range and the target, next target that we are looking at is 136. So the current range for this stock is in between 56.5 and 136, but we are not here for the current price action, but we are here for the long term trend. Obviously when the fundamentals working for the entire sector, this should not be the target that we are actually looking for. Okay, this at least should not be the target, because we will definitely have some bigger targets to look at. But this is the current range, and only if there is a further breakout beyond 136 $137. So this is conditional. So if there is a breakout beyond 136 and $137, so the big range that we are looking at or talking about going forward, so let's see here. So the big range that we are looking here going forward, and it will only get activated after 136 and 137. So the big target that we are looking here will be in between 500 and near to 640 or $650 in the upcoming months and years. So this is what we can see as far as the big trend is concerned. Let's see how the price will perform here, but definitely we are here for a big super cycle, and big super cycle leads to big price action. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.